Alright, let's do an opening of these drops. This might take a while because I don't know how to edit shit. So, let's just start with the uncommon drops. What is with these banners? Ew. I'm gonna do trade ups after this to make like an even longer video. Those fish. Here's the controller I'm using. Pretty nice. Take the thing out. Very rare. I mean, that's pretty good. Data stream. Sacred. Oh my god. That's a good trade up. Very good trade up. So I don't want that any near my inventory, bro. I don't care if I have none of them. No. Traffic cone. Pinata. Next, okay, we're turning this music off. How do you turn music off? Did it. Alright, let's go back to the opening. I have so much autism. Ooh, fucking credits. Alright, we have one left. Yeah, screw the uncommon. Alright, now we got very rare. Or just rare. Very rare. Okay, that's a W. Who wears the endo? Like, seriously. Where? Junk food? I mean, it's alright. Pick it. One of the ugliest wheels known to man. I feel like that's rare. Ooh! Okay. Give us like black standard. The guidance? Is that how you say it? Come on, then I'll take it. That is not a good, very rare wheel. One of the ugliest. Oh, the zippy wheels. Don't you gotta love the zippy? The wheels. Ew. Look like my grandma's mouth with her no teeth without her dentures in. Drink helmet. No. Rare. Okay, what's me with banners, bro? I don't want no banners, man. I don't want no banners. Sayonara. Zeta? Those are ugly. Rare. This decal is not good. My dad's car design makes me think of Mr. Beast. I mean, for a very rare, that's pretty good looking. I don't like really good. Rare. This is a good decal. At least in my opinion. Y'all can think otherwise, but... Well, there's gonna be like 11 people watching this and probably no comments, so I don't know why I'm saying this. The flower power. Not... The Merc is not a good car. Like, this should be an uncommon. No, it shouldn't even be... Import? God, that's loud. That's really loud. There. Yeah. Kind of cute. Kind of not. Kind of very rare. Heart Rocks. Very rare? What's with the very rare? Oh god, that's ugly. We have 16 more. Rare. Plasma. It's not bad, but not good. Rare. This is a good decal, in my opinion. I like it. God, get this away from me. Anubis. I used to main the Takumi back in the day, though. God. 10 more. Import? Bro, where are these booty boosts, bro? Very rare? Good. It's one of the underrated, and I know why. It's kind of buns. Headphones! No one cares! Give me like a sweaty topper. Put it down. Import? The Sentia! I think I already have that. Not good. They are just not good. Is that from Rick and Morty? The Ripper! That's already a base card for the Xbox, if you played back in the day. Which my dad did. God did. How much times am I gonna get the Zetas? Okay. I'm not gonna get them no more. We'll do the... What we got after this? I think we have exotic drops. We have 2 of those, I think. And we get flower power again. That's great. Alright, we're gonna do these last. We're gonna do the 4 exotic drops then. Hypnotics. I don't think you could get a exotic gold explosion from here. I think it's only wheels. I don't know why they couldn't make it like Black Market? Bubbly! As I was saying, I thought I wish you could get like boost solo, like a really good boost. All right, black markets. This is what we've been waiting for. Dang it! Glorifier. Give me a gold explosion. I mean, that's not a bad one. Alright, now we got the ooze canister. Let's see what we get. Give us a car. Are you serious? At least it's painted, bro. But that's still, I'm trading that shit up, bro. Let's. And we get a rare. We get a paint finish. I might just quit. Holy shit. Let's just open these for fun. I'm not even gonna look at them because they're blueprints. I'm gonna keep one of each in case they're like rare. Yeah, I'll keep one of each. Let's see what's in the shop, see if I can buy anything, like, somewhat. Good. 575. I need you right now. I need you right now. I need you right now. Fennec. Orange Fennec. Shatter. Yes. It's this one. Alright, let's do some trade ups. All in both. I'm gonna keep one of each because it's kind of a collector, and like some of these are unk status. Rare. Like the Derby I know is pretty rare. Flowers is not rare. I need duplicates. Hula Girl looks rare. Hamburg. See what we get. Alright, we turned in 4 of those. One of these. Aftershock. Oh yeah, we're trading that in. I love sparkles, man. Alright. We have a juggler of this, so we can get rid of that. We can get rid of that. Yeah, I give up. I should skip to the import. Yeah, goop. I don't really want to try anything else in case it's like rare. This. I'll get rid of. Yeah, that's all I can really get rid of. I don't really want it to kill me. It's a boost. And we can sell this. Come on. Yeah, no. Alright. Yeah, look at this. Here's the OG stuff. Free to play. Legacy. Yeah, he was a legacy boy. Sentinel? Wait, isn't this crazy for ground punches? Why is it lime? He does not have the Fennec somehow. I don't like that. So we're in the dumbass. I'm gonna try to hit a good ground punch. A good one. all the M's. He almost has the whole set. Where's his Cristianos? Oh, he has some legacy too. I found normal. Yeah, look at this. He has yellow frame color. If he has yellow standard, we can act like we have Alpha Boost. Sparkle. Yeah! You can act like we have Alpha Boost. Bro, I want this. Alright, let's play some ranked. Oh, I have to fix my camera settings. No. Because my dad plays on something weird, so actually no. Yeah, it should be fine. Something not that bad. What the heck? What is... Oh. Ugh. God. Oh my god, I'm about to lose this so bad. Alright. Oh yeah. Alright. Good teammate. Hell yeah, teammate. I got the... Ooh. Damn it. JP. I'm better than this. Like, I'm diamond, but his camera settings and... Who has Y as their back? Oh, damn. Bro, stop bumping me! For freaking sake. Bro, his intros. Tense. Bro, you have full boost. You suck. You take both boosts and still miss the ball. Whoa, they have chemistry. Clip time. Fuck. Bro! Oh my god. Way to go, teammate. Wow, he's just selling now. Oh my god!